Hey guys, and welcome back again to my channel and to another video. Today I'm in my laundry room and I wanted to do something different with this wall that you see behind me. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making this sign, and I'm also going to be showing you these wall decals. They're super simple, easy to make. I'm going to show you how you can do that. They're removable, so if you get tired of them and want to take them down, then you can do that. So I'm going to be showing you that today, and I'm also added some of these hangers. I got these from Amazon. I love these things. So let's go ahead and get started on this sign. So I started with some finished plywood. It's smooth at least on one side, and the size of this board is 13 inches by 35 1/2 inches, and it's 3/4 inch thick. I'm also using Valspar paint in the flat black and some 1-inch painter's tape. I made the design in Inkscape and uploaded it to Cricut, and I'll show you what I used in just a minute. The first thing I did was mark 3/4 inch from the edge on all sides of the board, and I'll be drawing a line connecting those marks. This is where I'm going to be placing my tape. I made a video a while back doing a no frame sign, and this is what I'm doing with this one as well. Now I just use my sponge brush to paint the top. I love this method to make a sign. It turns out so nice, and it's so much easier than building a frame. Now in Design Space, I uploaded this file, and it's really large, almost 30 inches long and 13 inches tall. If you use Cricut, you know the longest you can cut with a mat is 24 inches. So a trick I use is to use the splice tool to divide the image. I used a square shape and resized it to cover half the image. Hit slice, and you just delete the parts you don't want to keep. If you're not familiar with splice, I'll put a card linking that video. This way I can cut two separate images and place them together when I'm placing my vinyl. I'm using removable adhesive vinyl, and here I'm using glossy, but you can also use matte. I'll link all these products in the description box. And the setting I'm using to cut this is the vinyl setting on Cricut Design Space. Once I've removed all the extra negative vinyl around my letters, I just place both parts together on the board to see where they need to line up evenly with all the edges. I'll be placing the first part, and then I'll be placing the second one. I'm also using Duck brand Clear Easy Liner to transfer the letters, and you can reuse this a couple times. It's very cost effective. I use this for transfer tape most of the time when I'm doing projects. didn't have any more sawtooth hangers, so I just used these eye hook hangers I use for a lot of projects, and it's some wire, and I hung that onto the wall. Then I added the wall decals and the Farmhouse style coat hooks. So for the wall decals, I just simply took some black adhesive vinyl. I used my Cricut Maker, and I just cut out some decals with these. I'll link these on my website for you guys if you want to download them. But I just cut those out and put them directly onto the wall. I measured equal distances between each of the decals by dividing the total length by 3, and I just placed 2 on the ends and 2 in the middle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed how everything turned out. I'll leave links for you guys for everything I used in this video down in the description box. I'll also leave all of the fonts that I used for these signs and for the wall decals down in the description box if you guys have a question about that, but you can always leave me a comment. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.